Hooray!
Let's try some more adding. What would you say if we had the number 4 and we added 5? What do you think the answer would be? Let's grab the two numbers and let's stack them on top of each other. So we have 4 plus 5. How would that look? So just like before, we're going to have two different groups that we're going to add together to make one large group. So on the one side, we have 4 pigs, and then on the other side, we have 5 pigs. So if we had 4 pigs, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top, and we added 5 pigs at the bottom, and there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pigs, we would add them together. So 4 pigs plus 5 pigs, or you can reverse it. You can do 5 pigs plus 4 pigs. And as I said before, you're going to have the same answer. All right, so let's go 4 plus 5. What do you think the answer would be? Let's try counting the 4 and the 5 together. So let's count all of the pigs together to see what the answer is. And let's start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So altogether we have 9.
Hooray!
Let's try one more adding question. So if you have 2 and you add 2 more, how many more do you have? How much do you have all together? So we have 2 pigs at the top and then 2 more at the bottom. So we have 2 pigs plus 2 pigs. So let's count together. So 2 pigs plus 2 pigs equal 1 pig, 2 pigs, 3 pigs, and 4 pigs. So we have 4 pigs.